Hey guys, this is how you convert MPEG file to MP3 completely for free. You don't have to sign up or anything, or you don't have to pay for any kinds of this stuff. So here is how you do it. You go to this website and you upload your MPEG file. See, this is my MPEG file. Tap and click on convert. So it is processing. So boom, and download. So you see this is MP3. So this is how you convert your MPEG file to MP3 completely free of cost.